So on eBay I bought this colour restoring balm, which looks like a tin of shoe polish, but don't be fooled, this is shoe polish which you can open up. If I can try and do it with one hand, probably not. There you go, it's solid, it won't come out. This, however, is like a liquid balm, so if you open up on the side or unscrew it like that, it's going to tip out everywhere, just like this. So be really careful as you open this. And I've already applied some, which is drying, which is better than it was. It's got to be buffed up. It actually comes with no instructions. It's £10 off eBay, and I'll put it there so you can see where I've ordered it from. No instructions other than what you can see on the lid, nothing at all. So get yourself a clean sponge, some kitchen roll, and carefully open this up. I'm going to put the camera down because it'll go everywhere. I guess you guys who do this for a living are probably shouting at the screen right now, no, you don't do it like that. Oh, by the way, I used them wet wipes down there to clean the seat off first. So I'm not embedding in grime. However, I didn't hoover it first, but give it a vacuum. Guess you could do that. On the bolsters, there isn't really that many bits to vacuum off. So there we are. We're going to leave it to dry. I don't know, 10-15 minutes. That's the second coat, and it does look better. I'm interested to see how it does buff up. All right, let's give it a moment.
A few moments later.
So it seems to be drying well. Let's put the lid back on this before it goes everywhere. I noticed on the comments when I bought this on eBay, everybody else mistook it for like shoe polish and opened it up, maybe not perfectly straight, and it poured out everywhere, and yes, it's a mess. As you can see, I've been trying to be really careful and I've still managed to get it on my hands. So, get myself another sponge. There it is. Still a little bit wet, let's leave it a little bit longer.
A few moments later.
It seems to be drying matte, apart from that bit which is not dried yet. So I'm hoping it will buff up to a bit of a shine. We'll see. Give it a few more minutes, but I might reapply some more to the bolster there, because that's where it was the worst wear and tear was. Right guys, so it's pretty well dry. Got myself a brand new sponge, and let's see how well it buffs up. The shine seems to be coming back. The sponge is blown apart. Residue's coming off. So it doesn't come off any clothes, which is good. It's not looking too bad. quite pleased with that. A £10 fix off eBay. Obviously it doesn't get rid of the cracks, but you know, that's aging. But yeah, it does stay in it. That's pretty good. So yeah, if you want a DIY job, get yourself some of this balm off eBay. So I was that impressed with the driver's seat, thought I'd have a go at the passenger seat. So same principle, apply sparingly and evenly, and just let it dry and then buff up. It's pretty simple really. Before I've cleaned it with a wet wipe before applying, so make sure the leather is clean, because you don't want to polish in some ingrained dirt. So this polish comes in various colours, like for ivory, brown, different colour leathers, red, green. We've got red leather in the other car, which might have a go at that, so it might be another video coming soon to the channel. So, if anyone know what the sponges are that I use, they're called It Works, and I order them from QVC. I don't know what that is. And you'll see you get assorted sizes. You got a smaller size sponge, and you get the bigger size sponge. And I think it's about £6-7 for the box, but they're quite handy for different things. So you give it another buff up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care now.